Nesi Papono. Oh, film ke Papono konser tu memang di Ong Sulia Pramata. Yo, cicing dia satu orang jo. Cicang tu deh. Mungkin tu pick akisar tu hari sudum tadu yo lokson. Oh, di tempat itu nok lot di nok apa le dunia fat mungkin. Kodan nak teknologi sini tu no. Dun mom lah tak. Ya. Dun mom lah. Adim le dun yo. Adim mangke rang sina sarpo ahong jai lo. Nora kimia stage lo. Presiden yang ingin boleh bang, boleh stage lo bang. Adim melo. Stage taruh brand lah salah bang yo nanti yo. Mana lo presiden lang derkan. Oh, boleh dang bom lang, boleh topi tu. Yo, ini juga pada terbang loh. Oh, udah kembali topi yo. Oh, Papon band Coron Mukli. Yo, Papon masuk ke langit tu yo, ketuk ke wing Hong Kong. Oh, yo masuk ke. Oh, kalau pun apa ke, jadi di belakang bom. Ong so kali malam sopen apilo peluang te Papon wangpo setamen non la rem bang selambom lang hala itu presiden wangi pojo ini emat la bang so arem bang ke blok lap setamen non bang selam lo ketang le yo ada perang pecon oh ya di la soya yo nama ketang Nesi Papono oh wang dapo Papon kan kelang jiarat tum chong Hong Kong yo nonan por pai ker lo wang kelang lapu nata kato kowe lapu tetap tuntam mejo kato kowe thik lap lo muni do pikang yang nang weke cho oh mon ge da hada lo ketami
video alang lam thele litumar juina la sofile Papon alon litumar juina to ibo thake laben ke prime entertainment la so opening a chief guest la ke litumar johang pon ki CSPN ini tu mula naik jatuh mula lo, ini ki buaya datang bagi lo, sotari cakap senang, bagi lo ini ki buaya, dah situ lo, dah sila sopran, Presiden of India, alam thil itu baru senang a video, thank you.
Ma'am ke lake, asam chief Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Hemasor.
Sri Tuliran Rauhangji, Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Mominji, Karbi King Sri Long Singh Rauhangji, Sri Chandra Singh Roji, President Karbi Cultural Society,
President of India,
Prize Entertainment Private Limited, with us this evening to formally open the iconic 50th celebrations of the Karbi Youth Festival here in Gifu, and now I would request you to kindly
give me the privilege and the honor to be a part of such a beautiful culture tradition. And today, along with this, we are having Papon Ongorag Mohanto, and I declare the cultural evening open and hope all of you will enjoy the show. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yes, Margaret, all yours at this moment.
Itong Papon Pancho Hangkon G stage longan hotela ko batay si ke Hangkon pen kali. Let's chant the name of the artist who's gonna rock the stage tonight, the one and the only.
We don't even have to tell you more about his songs, the awards that he comes in with, but more than anything else, friends, ladies and gentlemen, this evening would be indeed memorable with your presence and the very delightful Ongorag Papon Mohanto.
thank you so much, Kardon, and thank you so much for bringing us here. I बहुत बছर আগতে আহিছিলো 10-15-20 বছৰমান আগতে first time Kabi Festival. So it's nostalgic and we're really happy to be here. And I'm sure you're having a great time with all these beautiful days. Thank you so much for making us part of this. Baki bhalna sob hai? Thanda lagise naki? But thanda lagibo boli bahut bhai khai hoy. It's so warm in this cold weather. You are so warm. Apnaloke iman morom aru iman gorom dise that we are going to rock it. Thank you so much again. Make some noise! This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful.
Itu maka judi lang teng hong dun dia lo penana lu nar judun lo nan mangke buthot kacik dam thule yo munit ke ong so le tawar lom ta hada ka plank set lo pa na munit ke ong pinang video ke jo wah tipung ada jo tambong lo ada tik ada video lang ada pin ta do bon yo ke lang dum ta do ke wang ta do ke dam ta do ke chulok dum ta do kijui dum ta ong la jo won ta chobom ta do ta bom ta do nonton bom tadu, lang bom tadu, coba bom tadu, kan bom tadu. Anda lebih dong lagi, dong.